Hello and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. While not too much is going on the lower time frame, as I said in some of the last videos, I'm going to use the opportunity to update some of the long-term charts. Feel free to check out our long-term chart video playlist. You'll find that on our channel. Here we talk about all-time high targets for regular coins. We do update that regularly, so I'm going to add some more in the next few days. Today we talk about Polkadot. Just wanted to highlight here the higher time frame wave count. We can see that we did rally, whoops, shouldn't move that we did rally off, into the May 21 high in a 5-wave move. I'm counting this as a wave 1. This chart basically hasn't moved since I started this YouTube channel. Then we came down in an A wave, overshooting B wave, and then the long C wave down, which might have bottomed recently here. That was in December with a nice low. So it's possible it has bottomed. Not 100% clear yet, but we can at the moment go with it as long as we are holding relevant support levels that we're going to take a look at in a minute. But what is sort of the long-term target? Let's say we moved up in a wave 1, we came down in a wave 2. Obviously, the next target to the upside would be a third wave. In a third wave, you will know that now, we normally reach the 1.618 extension to the 200% extension. Between $85 and $104. That would be the regular target for a third wave. They can always extend in crypto. In a very bullish environment, these will extend out further. We would then look at a 3-wave move down in a 4th wave afterwards. That is probably a shallow wave, and it should avoid an overlap with wave 1, which was here at basically $50 in 21. And after that 4th wave, we should move up in a 5th wave, in 5 waves, ideally somewhere to the 2.618 fib extension. So what are the targets? First of all, here for the third wave, we talk here about around about $85 to 104. Wave 4 targets I can't really give you because it depends on how high we go in the third wave. But I'd say, just to get a bit of a feel for it, we talk here about $70 to $80 maybe. Then we should get that 5th wave to the upside, and that 5th wave should take us to around $135. But see these only as, guidelines at the moment. They can move, they can shift depending on how the subdivisions develop. And typically in a bull market, I would expect them actually to be a little bit more bullish. But we'll see. That's the story that's still being written. That's the future. It's only a projection from what we can see at the moment on these charts. So things might change. So if you watch the video in 6 months or so, maybe the situation has already changed, but therefore we do update these long-term charts regularly as well. So what did we want to take a look at? So we want to take a look at this structure here of the December low. We obviously rallied in a 5-wave move to the upside to the 3rd of Feb high. With the 3rd of Feb, so early Feb. We then came down in what I believe was an A wave. We moved up in an overshooting B wave and came down in a C wave. Bottomed here just below the golden ratio, below 533. Rallied again in a 5-wave move here on the 14th of March to around 655. Came down again in a 3-wave move. We did hold this trend reversal area. We did hold this trend reversal area. We did hold this trend reversal area, and now this trend reversal area. These could have been 4 profitable trades for anybody who used these areas. But that means that we have basically 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 setups. 1, 2 setups are the, let's in this case, bullish trade setups in Elliott Wave. Because they indicate that a third wave is coming, and the third wave is typically the strongest wave. In this case, it would be the most bullish wave in an Elliott Wave cycle. However, so far, even though we are currently holding support levels, we are not yet rallying impulsively. relevant in the short term is certainly this 1-2 setup of the 27th of March low. So we rallied here in an not an impulse, in a leading diagonal. We came down, yeah, possibly an ABC correction running flat, and we are now rallying in a third wave. But this is not a typical third wave rally, but it could be a leading diagonal in a wave 3. The thing is, you know, it's due now. You know, the breakout needs to happen here at some point. If it doesn't, this will fall together and break down like a house of cards. We already have 3 1-2 setups. It needs to go. Again, I can always add here a micro count, but is it reliable? Probably not. I mean, I would even say that we have a good, well, at least a chance that this was maybe even till here, a wave 1, wave 2, you know, that this could now rally like this. But it's a bit of hopium because we haven't got the signal. It looks rather a bit like a bear flag at the moment that could make another low. But here bottom line is, as long as we're holding $5.90 in this yellow 1-2 setup, we can move. It would possibly reset the wave 2 though, yeah, because I cannot rule out that we had something like this, high B wave and C wave comes down. That's possible. But therefore, more important than the lower degree wave count are these pivot points, the key invalidation levels, yeah. Below 590, if we drop below that level, then we can find support at 546. Below 546, however, I might change my view and would take a more bearish stance. But as long as these support areas are holding, likelihoods are that we get a rally here to the upside. And in terms of resistances that need to be taken out, well, we got rejected here today. Basically this wave 1 high at 655, the B wave high at 670. These will be the next key resistances that need to be taken out. Now we could get that third wave in place here. Target was around $8 for that one. But yeah, that's my update at the moment about Polkadot. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. If you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership to get access to weekly live stream, a lot of educational content about Elliott Wave, learning material and all sorts of things on Discord and Telegram. And yeah, also check out our Instagram and Twitter. There's additional content there every day. And if you want to learn more about technical analysis, trading and Elliott Wave, then check out our trading course that you can find on morecryptoonline.com. There's also a link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.